So I'm out here, almost SanTan Valley area. Wanted to show you guys a cool spot that is super flat, open. Could slide this thing around a little bit. Normally it's rocky trails, crawling around or sliding around on asphalt. So this should be a good time. So we're back. Had a decent amount of oil in my catch can, blowing out of my blow off and filter here, but I think it was just a little over full, sliding around, combination of the two. Either way, this is my garage. Done a lot of the work here myself. Floor coating, paint, lighting, home filtration, water heater, garage door opener, shelving. What else have I done here? Some other electrical work, minor stuff over there. But basically anything I could make work more efficient for me, I did it. The last time you guys saw me, I was finishing up a V50 build, a 2005 turbo, all-wheel drive. I put a small leveling kit on it, big tires, intake, exhaust, bunch of cosmetic stuff. Turned out pretty sweet. Ended up selling it to a kid named Derek. Shout out Derek. Been my latest project out of the Sonoran Swedes workshop here.
bro.